Hello everyone, Giltar here with just a brief, not a vlog or anything, but just a brief video bringing some attention to some recent news that has been posted at Ngee Khiong's site. Basically, Bandai has taken to court those involved with, I believe, the TT Hongli brand. In the article, it just quotes TT and then brand, so I'm assuming it's TT Hongli. And essentially, it doesn't look good for these guys. They've been brought to court. Their evidence is really against them. I mean, there's no way that one could explain away the essentially the recastings, the remoldings that TT Hongli offers, and any other sort of knockoff company. So it doesn't look good for these people involved in these companies. Now, I know in the past with these kinds of videos involving this topic, there's been some really great yet heated discussion, and I'm definitely welcoming more discussion on this. You guys have some really great points that you bring up, and in the past, at least for my videos, you guys have been just extremely intelligent. You don't agree with other people maybe, but you don't sort of press that point. You're just bringing forth your own opinion, your views, and some information, and I think that's a great thing. We don't need to agree, but we need to discuss things, I think, in an intelligent and productive manner, because that benefits us all. So I'm hoping you guys will have the same reaction to this news here. Bring forth your views with as much well thought out points of discussion as you've done in the past. I would like to not see any sort of childish and unproductive behavior. There's no need to flame anyone or anything. There's no need to argue over certain points that really have little relevance in the situation. There's no need to say, haha, I told you so, to the people who, before have said things like that they've bought, knockoff products or whatever. It's not about that. It's about the fact that, Bandai is, at least at this point, taking some serious action against a pirating company, and more often than not, it's a very futile move, because they can shut down one company, but then there's going to be another dozen that'll spring up to take its place. So I'm very interested in seeing how this plays out. I'm very interested in hearing and seeing what you guys have to offer with respect to your own opinions and views on this topic. I'm going to link Ngee Khiong's blog in my description for my video, and any of the articles that Ngee Khiong is linking to. I think there might be a couple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bit of news, and I hope this stirs up some very productive thinking for you guys out there. It's very important for guys like us in the Gunpla fandom community that we are aware of such developments, because the third-party production market, the knockoff or pirating market, is something that not only model kit enthusiasts deal with, but it's something that most people deal with, because these kinds of companies, these knockoff companies, these sort of illegal product companies, are a part of every industry out there. So it is something that's quite relevant no matter what your own background is. If you've bought something before, you probably have bought something that has been connected to an industry that could be targeted for knockoff or pirated products. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.